I first met Bob at one of the CFA conventions. I went to one of his intensive seminars. That day was eye-opening and incredibly useful. I went back with quite a number of action items, including one to hire Bob as a consultant for our organization and help rebuild our field consulting team. We also use Bob's concepts and ideas when rephrasing and changing our viewpoint of ownership within a franchise. Bob's information helped us put together a strong presentation that started to change the way our franchisees consider licensing and ownership and changed the conversation quite a bit. And we brought Bob in and had him retrain our field consulting, and we used him to launch our field program. And the new field program has been incredibly successful and has helped us grow and capture better information than we've ever captured before for our current franchises.